Hello students, in this video we are going to simplify square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 bracket whole power 9. Here we will apply substitution. Substitute square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 is equals to m. Now our task is we will find out the value of m power 9. Here, if we multiplied both sides 2, then in left hand side 2 is multiplied by square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 and this is equals to 2 times m. Then this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out. So here is square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 times m. Here negative 1. If we take this negative 1 in left hand side, then here 2 times m plus 1 and this is equals to square root of 5. If we take square both side, then in left hand side square root of 5 square and in right hand side 2m plus 1 whole square. This square is cancelled out by this square root. So 5 is equals to, here if we apply a plus b whole square, this is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. If we apply this rule in right hand side, then 2 times m square plus 1 square plus 2 times 2m times 1. Then here 5 is equals to 2 times m square is 4 times m square plus 1 plus 2 times 2m, that is 4 times m. This plus 1 if we take in left hand side, then plus 5 minus 1, this is equals to 4 times m square plus 4 times m. Then here 4 times m square plus 4 times m, this is equals to 4. If we divide both sides 4, then in left hand side m square plus m is equals to 1. And here we know that we will find out the value of m power 9. So here m square, this is equals to 1 minus m. Here m square, this is equals to 1 minus m, and if we take square both sides, then in left hand side we will apply base and exponent rule, a power m bracket power n. This is equals to a power m times n. Then if we apply this rule in left hand side, that is m power 4, this is equals to, here 1 minus m whole square. We will apply a minus b whole square, this is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then this one is a square plus b means m square minus 2 times a, that is 1, and b, that is m. In left hand side m power 4, this is equals to 1 plus m square minus 2 times m. And here this m square is replaced by 1 minus m. Here this is m square is equals to 1 minus m. So in left hand side m power 4, this is equals to 1 plus, and m square is replaced by 1 minus m minus 2m. Then m power 4, this is equals to 1 plus 1, that is 2 minus minus m minus 2m, that is minus 3m. M power 4, this is equals to 2 minus 3m. If we take square again both side, in left hand side we will apply again this rule. Then in left hand side m power 8, this is equals to, in right hand side we will apply this algebraic identity. Then 2 square plus 3m square minus 2 times a, that is 2, and b, that is 3 times m. In left hand side m power 8, this is equals to 2 power 2, that is 4 plus 3 times m square, that is 9 times m square, minus 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, that is 12 m. M power 8, this is equals to 4 plus 9, and m square is replaced by 1 minus m, minus 12 m. In left hand side, m power 8, this is equals to 4 plus 9 is multiplied by 1, then we get 9, minus 9 is multiplied by minus m, then we get minus 9m, and here minus 12 times m, minus 12 times m. M power 8, this is equals to 4 plus 9 is 13, minus 9 and ye minus 12 and minus 9, that is 21 m. Here m power 8 in left hand side and right hand side 13 minus 21 m. And we know that we have to find out the value of m power 9. So if we multiplied both sides m, then in left hand side m times m power 8, and in right hand side 13 minus 21 m is multiplied by m. In left hand side we will apply base and exponent rule. A power m times a power n, this is equals to a power m plus n. Then here m power 9, this is equals to m is multiplied by 3, then we get 13 m, sorry, this m is multiplied by 13, then we get 13 m minus 21 m square. This m square is replaced by 1 minus m. So in left hand side m power 9, this is equals to 13 m minus 21, and m square is replaced by 1 minus m. Then m power 9, this is equals to 13 m minus 21 is multiplied by 1, then we get minus 21, and minus 21 is multiplied by minus 1, then we get plus 21 m. M power 9, this is equals to 13 plus 13m plus 21m, that is 34m minus 21. M power 9, this is equals to 34, and this m is replaced by square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. Here square root of 5 minus 1 over 2 minus 21. This 34 is divided by 2, then we get 17. M power 9 is equals to 17 times square root of 5 minus 1 minus 21. M power 9, this is equals to 17 times square root of 5 minus 17 minus 21. M power 9, this is equals to 17 times square root of 5 minus 17 minus 21, that is minus 38. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.